I swapped my tractor for a lorry, I'm as happy as can be. I'm driving down the road in my Scania 143. So keep your Massey Ferguson, your John Deere and your Ford. Well, I've got lots of horsepower when my pedals to the boards. My daddy bought this farm so many years ago. With love and sweat and pain and toil, he watched his family grow. He'd plant new seeds and grow new grain to keep his children fed. And each morning Mom would wake us to the smell of fresh baked bread. No more milking in the morning, no more ploughing in the rain. No more sheep and lambs to keep and no more cleaning drains. No more feeding cattle in the frost and sleet and snow. No more waiting on a milk check, I'd better tip my load. I swapped my tractor for a lorry, I'm as happy as can be. I'm driving down the road in my Scania 143. So keep your Massey Ferguson, your John Deere and your Ford. 'Cause I've got lots of horsepower when my pedals to the boards. Like many other farmers, I had to find new ways to pay the bills, keep our home and live from day to day. I parked the Fergie in the byre and leased out all the land. Now Farmer Dan's got a lorry and you know I like it grand. I swapped my tractor for a lorry, I'm as happy as can be. I'm driving down the road in my Scania 143. So keep your Massey Ferguson, your John Deere and your Ford. 'Cause I've got loads of horsepower and my pedals to the board.
It's an unexplained devotion that makes you climb behind the wheel and guide 40 tons of missile from the coast to Camel Wheel. It's a field of turbo muscle that gets into your bones. It's a romance of the long haul, being out there on your own. We are sons of the road, but like brothers we are bound to the rhythm of the highway and a rumbling diesel sound. And down that long white line, together we will roll. We stand united, sons of the road. There's a long tradition from the days when bullock teams would haul loads across the outback, cross flats and steep ravines. We carry on the journey of those pioneers gone by, with 22 wheels on bitumen, 25 tons behind. We are sons of the road, like brothers we are bound to the rhythm of the highway and a rumbling diesel sound. And down that long white line, together we will roll. We stand united, sons of the road. At a roadhouse for a coffee, fuel and chat, and tipping off your mates about 8 or 10 miles back. Well, it's taking out the blockade when they try to move you on, and you're backed into a corner, gets emotions running strong. We are sons of the road, like brothers we are bound to the rhythm of